Well, almost everyone's together.
There are toys on my dresser over there.
Oh, yeah. Wow.
I tried to kiss Finnegan goodbye and he didn't want kisses. Sorry, Grady, that's my slippers.
Look at the eyes. They're doing the classic kittens. You're so cute. Kitty.
How was the phyllo?
Oh, they enjoyed it, yes.
Yeah, you didn't have any of it?
Nope.
Yeah.
Probably because they all wanted it.
No, but it had salt in it too.
Yeah, probably that.
Yeah.
Seem to be having a ball when it bounces. Cuties. I'm gonna miss you guys. Oh, I'm here.
It's very special when you see them born in your...
I'm gonna see them until they get older. He's growing up to be a very big boy. I love you, Finnegan. I love you, Finnegan. Oh, cute. Cute kid. Cute kid. Oh. I'm gonna miss you. And I'm gonna miss everybody.
Except Paulu.
Yeah, Paulu stay.
No, nobody will miss Paulu.
They're playing with that part you're supposed to put.
I don't think Paulu's the kind of guy you can make fun of that way. He's just too cool of a dude. He's a really cool cat. Yeah.
He's just chill. And little Joe.
And I think he's a player for the way he made me fall in love with him. Just because he wanted a free home.
And then there's Ella.
Special little Ella.
Ooh, there you go, Finny. Finny, 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 Finny. Fin, Fin, Fin. You're supposed to play with the actual part.
Ella's the most exotic looking of the cats. She has a little bit of Siamese in her. Just a little bit.
I think Sassy's pretty cute, though. She's got
Sassy's
all the
a classic
orgy.
beauty.
Yeah.
And she knows it. She almost
struts her stuff.
Yep.
I'm going to give you a little Polly.
Oh, he got scared?
No.
He hissed?
They both hissed because he hissed and then ran, and then she hissed because she was startled. Oh. You're always meant to use your claws.
She is always like that.
She likes to use them as little grappling hooks. Ever since you were a kitten, that's the same thing. Ow. Oh.
Yeah, she's not that keen on being manhandled. She's not a cat for kids.
No.
Sassy is, though. Sassy is, and
because she's really playful.
Joe and
she's got all
Finnegan.
the playful traits, but she's got...
She's the most playful, yeah.
Yeah.
But Finnegan's also, he's got an amazing adventurous
look at him.
Personality.
I mean, look. He's so laid back, he's like a cool dude.
Yeah.
He's chill. But he's got like the little so cute.
Yeah. I wish Molly could stay with little Joe.
Kitty, kitty. I miss you. I'm gonna miss you the most, man, because you're a pretty laid-back dude.
Yes, he's so chill.
You're like, can you, bro? Ow! He bit me!
Did he bite you? Oh. Don't blame him.
Whoa! Whoa! Roly-poly.
I love blowing strawberries.
Oh, little Joe.
What?
He just reached out and was pulling me. Let me push you up here.
She's the favorite of a lot of people, little Joe.
Just because she's a little timid. She's more of like the shy one.
Yeah. And the smallest one, too.
Yeah. Sassy is too, but then little Joe kind of... Little Joe. Walking away with the string. Satisfaction. Gotcha. Woo. You're not quite sure what I'm doing, but you're fine with it. Oh, yes, everybody loves a scruff. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. We're all here. They're making like a triangle.
I can't tell you how many times I've counted to 5 over the last 2 months.
5's the perfect number for kittens, I think. Because they're not too many, but not too, like, little. Come back here. What's Ella?
Oh, Ella doesn't like to be held.
What about this way? Do you mind it this way?
Yeah, sitting on your shoulder or something.
It's like
She looks the kind of cat that, yeah.
That's
that's the way she
you hold
prefers to be held.
We'll have to tell the people who want her that.
Right. Or just emphasize that the other ones like to be flipped over.
Yeah. That was so cute. Playing with Mom's tail.
I'm just concerned that it's going to be a shock for all of them to suddenly, they're going to be in a strange place and there's not going to be any mom with them.
True.
Okay, I can understand if they're going to a new home. But she's hoping that all the kittens will be taken right away anyways. So.
Let me get you. Let me pick you up. Which one are you again? Let's look at the back. You're Finnegan.
Finnegan.
Finnegan and Polly were the ones without the names or personalities until later on, I think. Maybe because they had more of a chill, laid-back personality that we didn't really pay.
That's right.
You're
yeah.
grappling onto my leg. Little Joe. Little Joe. You looking for trouble?
Yeah, it's true. The girls did stand out in their personalities right from the beginning.
Yeah.
Sassy, before her eyes were open, she was venturing out and smelling and always separate from the game.
Yeah, Sassy was always the one, the leader. She's like the leader, the queen bee. Because
she's brave.
Oh, that was so cute. She just laid back and Are we gonna do this again, Finnegan? Am I gonna have to drag you across the floor? That's what I did last time.
Yes.
Kitten cleaning services. How can I help you? Kitty kit. Sad to see them all go.
So Ella's going to turn out to be Tabby. Spotted Tabby.
Oh, there's someone over there. Oh, little Joe.
I had to take all the curtains down.
Oh, I can understand why. Little grappling hooks here. Are you Paul? Yeah, you're Paulu, of course. How could I forget? Baby. Buddy, buddy, buddy. Buddy, buddy, buddy. Oh, yes. I can see we're going to have sessions where we can pet you and cuddle with you. Because you're a kid. You're a cutie kid. You're a cutie, 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 cutie kid.
Mrs. McCurta. Oh, what, Mrs.
Can you
McCurta?
dance?
We have to go for another WALK, don't we? No, just wait.
Dance, 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 dance. Cutie kitten. Cutie kitten. Oh, she poo.
The rescue lady asked me if I wanted to keep Molly for a few weeks until we find a home for her. But she already has a foster home for her. And I'm just thinking, I have to think of Kinikai. Yeah.
I feel really bad. And the rest of the dogs do.
Yeah, and the dogs as well.
Because...
But would she change overnight if the kittens are gone?
Ow, ow.
Or would she start going crazy protecting Palu?
Ow, ow, ow. Yeah, that too.
Yeah, see, she'd be hanging around a lot with Palu, and I want Palu to start bonding to us.
Oh no, come back.
Let's see what happens. I just don't want her to have any more stress in her life.
You're attacking my feet and running away, as if to say, haha, I can get you. Look, this is a little